Hi everyone, it's Deb. I'm here with an open collab for hashtag BeCreative, and it's themed every month, and this month is love. This is an open collab run by Terry Terry Jeanette at the Tapping Flamingo, aka the Bohemian Hippie. So I went digging through my lovey Valentine-y stuff. I keep pretty much all of it except maybe some ribbons and and stuff in this iris bin. This is mostly all papers and paper pads, and it's a mix of non-Stampin' Up mostly, but some retired Stampin' Up as well. Anyway, I found this collection from the Paper Studio, so Hobby Lobby. It's from 2016, so I probably bought it in 2017, and it was in the very bottom of the iris bin. I didn't know I had it, but it comes with 10 12 by 12 scrapbook papers, and I cut into 6 of the 12. You'll see in a minute. One vellum sticker sheet, one paper sticker sheet, and enamel sticker sheets. That's these here. I used 2 words off of here. I used a couple of these, and I just used I think two of these, 3 of these. And then I did use, I used polished pink cardstock by Stampin' Up, and I used polished pink ribbon by Stampin' Up. And what prompted all this is this, I was digging through my my dies and stamps and stuff a week or so ago to find my Valentine-y stuff. And I found I had this still in the outer mailing envelope along with some other things. These are all things from In Love Art Shop, and they were shipped to me in July of 2019. I haven't touched them since I got them. So 2023, for the most part, not entirely, is going to be a year of finding what I have in my stash, rediscovering, or using at least what I have. So this is like a little book thing, and this was attached to here, but it was only attached by 2 little things, and I clipped it off. And here's what I made. I made this little book. I die cut 6 polished pink, I think 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, excuse me, 7 polished pink cardstock pieces, and then I covered the front of all of them with the pattern paper. It's a little loose with just that ribbon. I don't know, maybe I should like glue these together and then put the ribbon through. Maybe that's what I should do, because it kind of wiggles around the pages when I didn't think of that till just now. Duh. I maybe should take it apart and glue those together before I stick the ribbon through. And this was the end of that scrap of ribbon. I need to trim it a little bit and stuff. I didn't want to do that till I was sure of it. This is one of the stickers. This is just a piece of the polished pink scrap left over from doing these. These are the 3 enamel dots, and this is a flower in my massive 2 sweater bins of flowers and stuff, store-bought or gifted. And I thought that was kind of went with the rosy kind of theme. So the only problem I had with this is I didn't know what direction I was going, so I made it very generic, and I left a lot of things blank so that people could put a picture in or journal or do whatever. So in the front, these are the vellum stickers. There's 3 of them on here: smile, a butterfly, and a bird. I did make a little envelope with this little thing. You could write a little note on the front and back, and I made sure it had a little rose on there from the paper. I was thinking I should have put some trim here maybe, but I didn't want it to get too bulky either. This one I just left blank. Here I just cut out, you know, with the smaller die, another heart, and then I ran it through an embossing folder. I think it's a Sizzix. Yeah, Sizzix, this one, Love Set. I know a while ago I was looking for something and I couldn't find it, and here it is. So I used that. I forget I have stuff, and I had this in Valentine's in a section of my stamps, and there it was. This is a vellum sticker on top of a yellow stripe. This is a vellum sticker. I left that one blank, so it's really bare. Now this one I cut the smaller heart out of this same paper, which is sort of graduated color, so this is a little lighter. But then I just folded it in half and put it on this side because that's where it fit. And I left this blank so that you could open it and write a little note there, or put a little picture here or something. And then this one is a vellum sticker. This I fussy cut out of the paper. When I was getting ready to put stuff away, I had the scraps of this, and there were a couple pieces that where there was a whole row, so I cut that one out, and I think, yeah, there's another one right here. And this is the other one of the word stickers I used. The paper collection is called Hello Love, but I don't really have a love, and yeah, I didn't know what to do with it. Other than my grandkids and daughter and son, I don't really have love that way, which makes me sad. I actually, a lot of people get depressed around Christmas and stuff, and I get a little down sometimes, but I get more down at Valentine's Day because I don't have one, and I'm too old now. I just am not even in the market, you know, to look for anybody, so I've kind of resigned myself to the fact that I'll be alone. But I still, when my daughter was young, her things were hearts and stars, hearts and stars. I always think of her. So, but I don't know anybody in my family or that prints pictures that actually does scrapbooking. So if anybody would like this, please let me know and I'll send it to you. Maybe with the rest of the collection in case you want to decorate it more. So that's my project for hashtag BeCreativeLove on this channel. I hope you liked it. I'm going to also try and do something for my other channel, so be sure to check that out too. I know we don't have a set time for this collab for hashtag BeCreative. I like to post in the morning, like 7 or 8 a.m. if I can, but I try to do no later than noon. But you have to kind of just check throughout the day, and it'll be hashtag BeCreativeLove for January. That's what the hashtag will be. Okay? I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I know some people don't like to ask, but sometimes if you don't ask, people forget. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And also, I'd love any comments. I mean, do you make these kind of things? And should I be gluing this down? I know this is a rarity for me, but I'm trying to branch out again. I used to do more of this kind of stuff, but I am trying to branch out again into other than just cards on this channel. I still like to do cards. That seems to be the easiest thing for me, but I want to do more other paper crafty stuff mostly paper crafty stuff on this channel, and bring out and use some of my stash that's been forgotten. And also, after this next few weeks where stuff is trickling in from earlier purchases, I'm going to stop buying for a while too. I can't even say I'm going to need glue anytime or adhesives anytime this year. Yeah, it's bad. All right, guys, take care. Have a wonderful week, a great January, and I'll be back very soon. Bye for now.